guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming at you with this glam gorgeous Valentine's Day look. So it's all about how I created this look, so stay tuned and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to my channel, and all that other good stuff too. Okay, I hope you guys like the video. Bye. And I'm starting this tutorial by applying the Prep and Hydrate Balm from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And this balm has a nice cooling effect on your skin. So it's really very nice. And I just work it into my skin with my fingers. Then we're moving right along with the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Foundation in Caramel. And I'm mixing it with Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream in Tobacco. And I'm doing that because the Complexion Cream has a thicker coverage, which I kind of like. And the Healthy Skin Foundation is kind of more natural. So it's a nice combination. And to hide all the imperfections, I am using the Rimmel Match Perfection Concealer in the shade Medium. And I'm using my beauty blender to just blend it all together. Then of course we set everything with the translucent powder from Clinique, and this is number 4. Next I am using the NYX Cosmetics primer, and this is a waterproof primer that makes your eyeshadow last all day. It's my favorite. And for the brows, Anastasia Brow Wiz in Granite. And yes, I know my pencil is broken, but that's okay. Moving right along, we're using e.l.f. Cosmetics again, my favorite, well, one of my favorites, and I'm using the Nude Rose Gold palette, and I'm following that up with Ulta Metal's Jewel Tone palette. So I applied the e.l.f. Cosmetics color all over my lid up to my eyebrow, and now I'm applying the Ulta Metal's Jewel Tone palette shade into my crease and in the corner of my eye. And this particular shade, I think it's called Royal. And then of course the glitters have to hold on to something, so we're putting on the glitter glue, which is also from NYX Cosmetics. And I'm just applying that where I want the glitters to go. I'm using JCat glitter in Tickle Me Pink, and I'm applying that all over my eyelids up to the crease. And glitters are gonna go everywhere, so make sure you use like a paper towel or makeup sponge or something underneath your lid to catch any falling glitters. And you want to make sure that when you apply the glitter, not to rub them in, but kind of lightly dab them onto your skin. Then we're going in with the NYX Cosmetics matte eyeliner. I love this one. Make sure that when you get this eyeliner, it has a nice sharp point, because sometimes they don't, and then it just can be disastrous. But this is one of my favorite eyeliners simply because it dries in a matte consistency, which is nice. Of course, we have our Studio Effect lashes from Ardell. And on the lips, NYX Cosmetics Butter Gloss, and this is the shade Tiramisu. On my cheeks, I'm applying Deck of Scarlet palette number 6 the beautiful, beautiful rose color that comes in there. I love that color. I use it all the time. And there you have it, guys. That is the final look. I hope you guys love this video. And I see you again in my next video. Bye.